Welcome to our channel.
Please subscribe. Thank you.
Good morning, guys. Good morning from Philippines. Pilipinas. So guys, ayan, hindi pa namin na-plug ang aming refrigerator. Kay bibilan pa siya namin ng power storage stopper, whatever that is. Inverter siya, guys, ayun. Pero gusto ko lang siya talaga i-plug na may power surge, ano siya, point. Just in case na, ano ba, kasi palagi nagba-brown out. So we just want to make sure na pag balik ng electricity, okay na siya. Although nga mayroon man siguro yan, but anyway, just want to be on the safe side, okay lang. Ito pwede na siya malipat sa likod. Ito na siya namin ilagay sa likod later. Para maayos na namin ni Miss Jonah. Anyway, yung mga dyan na lang yan for everyday use. Ilagay lang siya sa likod, guys, kasi matraffic dito. Pag binuksan siya, guys, yung friends, matraffic din. We need to remove the traffic. Ano na, white material? Basurahan? Lola, Monday, dasig sa ina. Ang basura, nag-pick up. Alam niyo, ang bilis nila mag-pick up ngayon, guys. Palagi namin binibigyan nga ano, magbalot muna tayo ibigay sa kanila. Eh, ano ba yan? Minsan hindi ako makaka-prepare ng ibigay sa kanila. Dasig sa ina. Ang bilis. Okay guys, good afternoon. Happy Monday everybody. As you can see, they removed the door frame. So, we've been cleaning up again today, this afternoon. And voila, we have no more stove in there. And voila, no more fridge here. So, we put it at the back. So, at the back. Voila. So the new addition in the kitchen is the switches there that Manong put for us. There's two, yeah, on that side, and also there are two here, one here, more PowerPoint, and that side there, and also Manong put the you seen that blink, guys, there. The switch, it has a plug, but it's not finished yet. It's finished it tomorrow. And what else? And Dad is putting on the TV very loud, as usual. You cannot vlog there. And we put the stove here. Ayan. And then we bought this, the Akari automatic voltage regulator for the fridge only. That's only for the fridge. But we will also move that on the top. When Manong put us the PowerPoint here, and that one is for the stove. So we decided to put the stove here because we got the ventilation there from the window, so we can put actually the exhaust fan later with already the hole in there. We'll just fix it a bit later, but we like it there so the air can circulate for the fridge and in this room. So soon they're gonna open this. So we can see here, it's much better, it's bigger. And these tiles fell off, but they put it back. Fell off after 12 years. They put it back today. Oh my God. So we put this on. Yeah, we put this on. It's nice and cool. Daddy got the beer and his apple cider vinegar. But nothing. Empty. So we're gonna go and buy food for here. Let's go. But it's raining. Okay guys, we just arrived from grocery and we're just gonna, Dad is just gonna bring in the boxes. Okay. Just put there, Dad. Yeah. Another one here. So I can open here, guys. That's it? I know. There's a chicken here. I'll pick up the bag of chicken.
Chicken and
There.
biscuits.
There's another chair on the other side. Ay, may biscuits pa pala, guys. Bumili kami nito. And also this. We got the biscuits. And the chicken. And that's it. Let's open the bags. Okay. And after shower time.
So that door will be fixed.
Yeah, guys, they will move that door because we have to lift it, and he will make sure that there's a little bit of gap underneath, so we don't rub underneath. You're right, guys. Tingnan nyo sila, guys. Oh. They're still happy. You happy? Don't sit on the thing. Don't sit on the water. They sit in the water.
Yeah, if I get that fan cover, it'll be nice and cool for them because in the bucket it's hot.
Oh, okay. So it'll be out of the bucket?
Yeah, you can just put tissue or paper underneath or a cardboard box.
Okay, yeah. Alright. I got it. I got what you mean. Okay, guys. Okay, Dad is just getting a drink. Is that it? Okay, Dad got 1 Coke Zero. Okay, let's do this. Let's open what we bought. And then I have to put it away. Too many things to do. Alright. Let's do it. Konti muna. Sige na. There's a plane. I can hear the plane coming. Alright, guys.
You're going to be first to put the drink in the fridge.
Lagay niya yung... Alright.
Nice and cool.
Good? It's -1 for the freezer, -15 for the freezer.
Yeah, that's...
Fridge is -1. Shall we make it to...
No, that's okay.
That's good?
Yeah, that's fine.
5 degrees eh. I can put the thing there.
You just work it out. If it's too much ice, you turn it down.
Yeah, that's right. If it's too hard. No? I think at home 14, 15. The freezer, you can't go down to 14, I think. Okay. So guys, this is our grocery for the month. I put in the freezer.
Buy one, get one free. That's a good idea.
Yeah, I put in the freezer. I hold this and then I think it's gonna be too long. So, headache already. I have a headache. It's too Okay. Face this way. Alright. We got sky flakes. We got noodles. Right. We got chips. This is all Philippines. It's screaming Philippines. Yeah, this is like 20 pesos. Got more of these. I gotta be in a hurry because we got freezer stuff. We don't want them to melt. We got holes. We got carbonara. So we can actually cook carbonara ourselves. We got siso, which is grape, and this one is guayabano, which is what I wanted to try. Okay. Another, this is a refillable oil for refill. So this is better to buy because it's cheaper. We don't really need another siso, guayabano. Alright. This is grapes and this is guayabano. We don't have this in Australia because we don't grow the fruit. This one is nuts, chips. And this one I wanted to try, the champurrado, real cocoa and malagkit rice. I want to try because I seen this in. And this one is real ginger arroz caldo rice. This one, arroz caldo, that's good. Because you only want to eat a small amount, you don't want to eat the whole pot. That one is good as well. 50 pesos. Something, it's how much is the cone? Sugar cones. Because we bought ice cream. Another one, I got two because it might not be enough. And this one is little choco drink for our little visitor. You met baby Joe already. That's for him. He comes and checks the fridge. Dairy cream and the bread. This is good. Bun. We got 2 kilo rice. I wanted to try the rice. Juicy fruit. Juicy fruit. Ay, box.
Yeah, full of chicken.
Yes, babe. Hello. It's layered. We use the box for the chicken. Alright guys, more. Let's have a look. We also got one bucket of biscuits. Yeah. These are all drinks. I got cheese, Eden cheese. I like this cheese. Mugo, which is very hard to get in Australia. I only get it from the Asian store, which is very expensive. Here it's not too bad. And water. We got water. 6, I think. This one. 6 water. And also, Daddy bought some sweet Silver Swan extra spicy chili. Sweet chili. Another mogo. Yun. And also, we got 6 of the pineapple juice. And also, we got 6 of... 6. Puro na lang 6. One of these. Sweetened pineapple. We got mango. Then we got... Also, we got C2. Ayan. See? And also 2 of these. Coke. No sugar and 1 normal Coke. Ayan sila guys. Also, I will just take you around here so it's quicker. Oh, they're happy. Wow. You're gonna be proud of yourselves tomorrow. So this one is actually buy 1, get 1 free. Yung bangus ba? Here, bangus. Ayan, and another one. Look at them. See? We found a box for you for the grocery. Now you are happy. Very thick. It's good. Look how thick it is. Nice. You can put it in the middle. Alright guys, so 4 of that because buy one, get one free. And also we got ice cream. Daddy picked up a halo, this one, and I picked up ubi. Of course, I miss ubi. Because no more $13, guys. It's only 200 something. $6 only. Right? He put thing in this one. Glue. Because it come off. So he fixed it. And then, mga guys. Yeah, they want to eat it because they're getting bigger. Eat some more. They finish their food all the time. Alright, so this one, we have cheese. Again, this is for bread. Yeah. Cheese. Thames cheese. Ayan. And these are all meat. We got beef, sweet spicy from Pure Foods. Ayan. Pure Foods. Pure Foods is the best in Philippines. Not sponsored, but Pure Foods is good. And I got some half a kilo of ground pork. Ayan. Bakit ganyan ang ground? But anyway, isa pa kilo.
We can cook tomorrow.
And this one, yeah, and this one is a chicken necks. I want to adobo. Chicken necks.
Little flour, you got more room. Be forced up.
Very nice. We keep the other box for later. And this one is a kilo of magnolia wings, chicken, 224. Ayan. And this one is 4 adobo or pancit, 161. There. Okay. I think that's it. Alright. Guys, I will put anay the grocery guys ha. And I will put you fast forward na lang so you can actually watch. I have to fill up put everything in the fridge. Oh, they like their stuff. They like that one there. Ayun guys, so ilagay ko kayo dito para makita niyo ako doon, okay?
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.